by drawing the circle as the front part of the body. This circle doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're having trouble drawing it, use anything that has a circular edge. After that, make like this small circle here. Don't make like a long space around them, or else it will be too long for the narwhal. Then after that, add a circle here. After that, make like this line right here, and then make another line right here. After that, add this long line here. Did you know that a narwhal's tusk has over 10 nerve endings? After that, it's okay if you did a mistake, just gotta erase it and do it again. After that, add some lines so that they could connect to each circle, like the head, the front part of the body, and the back part of the body. And then add this curve right here as its back. And draw the belly at the underside of it. And then draw this draw lines here, diagonal, and then curve, and then put it in the other side of the line. After that, add this line here, and then add like this vertical line here, and then add like this diagonal line and go there. After that, and that's it for the initial sketch. But before, that's it for the initial sketch. Now to make it more like a defined sketch. Start by drawing this eye here, and then draw this tiny circle as a guide for the highlight. And then darken some spots, but don't overlap the highlight. Add some curves right here around the eye. And then after that, go add this diagonal line right here in the head, and then put more of this here. And and then add some spiral curved lines here in the narwhal here. After that, I like this line, go up, and then add a curve connecting to the tusk or tooth. And then after that, add the curve here, and then another curve and another curve for its mouth. Okay, after the mouth, draw this curve right here, going down. But after that, add this line right here but before that, we have to add like this curve and then go down. Add some more and then go up. And then add the curve here. After that, add the curve here. And then add a bump here. And curve. And then a curve going down here. And then make a long curved line here for its fluke. Follow the path of the initial guides right here as you darken the lines to create the body. And then also do the same thing in the underside. Okay, now let's erase some. Okay, now let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. Or it's okay to leave them behind. It's just how it is. After that, add some shading. Now let's do some shading. Firstly, let's shade into the chin. And then in the underside of the body. And down below in the fluke. These inhabitants live in cool Arctic waters of Canada, Russia, and Greenland. Or so, shall I say, in the Arctic Ocean. After that, add some more shading right here on the bottom of the fluke. Okay, now let's make some patterns. So first we need to make like a dark. So narwhals' heads are very dark. So let's add this line and then curve. Go right here. And after that, add some more right here. And then darken the head. Also, when shading and doing the black, make sure there's no white or it will be too messy. After making that, let's make some spots and blotches. After that, darken this line here before the blotches to make it more like an even like shape. So let's make some blotches right here and another one. Add some more blotches and spots right here, big or small spots. This might take a while, but it's fine. That's what it looks like in real life. add some more big or small spots here, or dots. This might take a while, but fine. It's fine. Okay, and now let's make some more right here. So first, add some little things, and then after that, we're going to do like the black thing there. Okay, now it's also shading the tusk or 2-4, whatever you can call it. Add some more until we're happy with the result. And that's it for the narwhal. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my videos. And I'll see you later in the next video.